How to lock your WhatsApp chat. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can lock WhatsApp chat very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to lock your WhatsApp chat, first of all open your WhatsApp and then select the person that you want to lock the chat. For example, if I want to lock this chat, I will just click on it and press hold. After that, click on three dots and here you can see lock chat. Click on it and click continue and again click continue, and now this chat has been locked. Now if I want to show you, you can see here this is the locked chats. Click on it and here you can see the locked chat. Now if you want to make this chat more secure so that no one can see your chat, you can click on this three dots and click on chat lock setting, and here you can see hide lock chats. Click on it and click on create secret code, and here for example I create this code. Click on next, and again for example I create this code and click on done, and now no one can see your locked chats. You can see here no locked chat appears. Now if you want to find your locked chats, just search here the code that you entered, and here you can see locked chats. Click on it and here your locked chats appear. So guys, in this way you can lock your chat in WhatsApp very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.